Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Apple Watch Series 8 in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Apple Watch Ultra GPS Plus Cellular 49mm. Smartwatch with rugged titanium case and orange Alpine loop medium. Fitness tracker, precision GPS, action button, extra long battery life, brighter retina display. YAPPLE Ultra, rugged and capable. Built to meet the demands of endurance athletes, outdoor adventurers, and water sports enthusiasts. With a specialized band for each. Up to 36 hours of battery life. Plus all the Apple Watch features that help you stay healthy, safe, and connected. Extremely rugged, incredibly capable, 49mm corrosion-resistant titanium case. Larger digital crown and more accessible buttons. 100 meters water resistance. Customizable action button for instant physical control over a variety of functions. Biggest Direct Display YET. A bright always-on retina display that's easy to see, even in direct sunlight. More room for adding complications to customize your watch face. Number 4. Apple Watch Series 8 GPS Plus Cellular 41mm. Smartwatch with midnight aluminum case with midnight sport band. M/L fitness tracker, blood oxygen and ECG apps, always-on retina display, water resistant. Apple Watch Series 8, your essential companion for a healthy life, is now even more powerful. Advanced sensors provide insights to help you better understand your health. New safety features can get you help when you need it. The bright always-on retina display is easy to read, even when your wrist is down. Cellular connectivity. Send a text, make a call, and stream music without your iPhone, even while traveling internationally. Use Family Setup to manage Apple Watch for family members who don't have an iPhone. Easily customize. Available in a range of sizes and materials, with dozens of bands to choose from and watch faces with complications tailored to whatever you're into. Number 3. Apple Watch Series 7 GPS Plus Cellular 41mm. Green aluminum case with Clover sport band, regular, renewed. This pre-owned product has been professionally inspected, tested, and cleaned by Amazon qualified vendors. It is not certified by Apple. This product is in excellent condition. The screen and body show no signs of cosmetic damage visible from 12 inches away. This product will have a battery that exceeds 80% capacity relative to new. Accessories may not be original, but will be compatible and fully functional. Product may come in generic box. Product will come with a SIM removal tool, a charger, and a charging cable. Headphone and SIM card are not included. This product is eligible for a replacement or refund within 90 days of receipt if it does not work as expected. Number 2. Apple Watch Series 8 GPS 41mm. Smartwatch with midnight aluminum case with midnight sport band. S/M fitness tracker, blood oxygen and ECG apps, always-on retina display, water resistant. Apple Watch Series 8, your essential companion for a healthy life, is now even more powerful. Advanced sensors provide insights to help you better understand your health. New safety features can get you help when you need it. The bright always-on retina display is easy to read, even when your wrist is down. Easily customize. Available in a range of sizes and materials, with dozens of bands to choose from and watch faces with complications tailored to whatever you're into. Innovative safety features, crash detection and fall detection, can automatically connect you with emergency services in the event of a severe car crash or a hard fall. And Emergency SOS provides urgent assistance with the press of a button. Number 1. Apple Watch Series 7 GPS 41mm. Smartwatch with green aluminum case with Clover sport band. Fitness tracker, blood oxygen and ECG apps. Always-on retina display. Water resistant. Apple Watch Series 7. The most advanced Apple Watch features powerful health innovations, like sensors and apps to measure your blood oxygen and take an ECG. The larger, always-on retina display makes it easier to use and read. The most durable Apple Watch. Charges faster so you can get going quicker. Easily customize. Available in a range of sizes and materials, with dozens of bands to choose from. Change up your look by switching your band or by customizing your watch face in millions of ways. Incredible durability, built to be tough. It's more crack-resistant, it's dust-resistant, and it's swim-proof. Stay connected. Send a text, make a call, listen to music and podcasts, use Siri or call for help with emergency SOS. Series 7 GPS works with your iPhone or Wi-Fi to keep you connected. Most advanced health features. Keep an eye on your blood oxygen with a revolutionary sensor and app.